Unfortunately, the president could not make it to lead today's staple grain distribution from the national government to indigents in Manila's Tondo district. So the First Lady was more than glad to oblige the pinch hit for the president, as we hear more from this report from our Carlo Candelaria.
Ay, malaking bagay ang pagkakatanggap namin ng bigas. Hindi na tayo bibili ng bigas. Nandyan na yan eh.
Senior citizen Marilu Valenzuela was overjoyed with the 10 kilos of rice she received this morning at the Barangay 72 covered court in Tondo, Manila. Accompanied by her barangay tanod husband, she noted that the free rice will significantly reduce their expenses, especially as she purchases several maintenance medicines.
May mga maintenance na tayo. Walo-walo, diabetes, may cardio pa tayo. Tapos meron pa tayong cholesterol, high blood, osteoarthritis.
Meanwhile, 68-year-old Edgardo Manalang Sr. has to make ends meet with his daily earnings of 400 pesos from driving an e-trike, which is why he reiterated that the 10 kilos of rice he received will provide a huge relief.
Malaking bagay yan. Kasi e-trike lang ako, kaya nabuhay ko, wala akong pinagkikitaan. Sobrang laki po ng tulong. Ang hirap po ng buhay ngayon.
First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos led the distribution of 10 kilos of rice each to 500 beneficiaries at the Barangay 72 covered court in Tondo, Manila. She was joined by Manila Mayor Isko Moreno and Vice Mayor G. Atienza, who personally greeted and checked on the residents of Tondo. The distribution of free rice is under the Mula sa Puso para sa Pamilya initiative financed through the Local Government Support Fund or LGSF from the Office of the President. This is complementary to other government programs like the Kadiwa ng Pangulo and Benteng Bigas Meron Na or BBM, which helps to ensure that every Filipino family has affordable food on their table.
Bilang isang ina, mahalaga sa atin yung may pagkain sa table. Even if we cannot eradicate poverty, at least we hope that this little thing will help you in the days to come. At mula sa puso, para sa pamilya, ito para sa inyo.
Mayor Isko Moreno expressed his gratitude for the implementation of the program in Manila. He emphasized the critical importance of cooperation between the national and local governments amidst the noise and chaos of politics.
Bagamat hindi magkapartido, di ba alam nyo naman, hindi kami magkapartido ni Bonget. Tama. Pero kapag nagtulungan, yung dalawang gobyerno, nasyonal at lokal, may kapakinabangan ang mamamayan. Basta masayang-masaya ko na tayo ay patuloy na nililingon ni President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr.
The government's rice distribution program is expected to continue in other areas later this week. Carlo Luis Candelaria for The Nation.